Have you guys ever seen little kids try to cook? Well, that was me at 6 years old trying to make handmade tortillas. Today, I will be teaching you guys how to make tacos, but not your commonly known soft tacos. As quoted, a soft taco is simply a fresh maize tortilla wrapped in morsels of meat or beans by Jeffrey M. Pilcher. But in this case, we will be making some crunchy tacos dorados. I will first begin by showing you what you will need, then the preparation, and finally putting it all together. Now that you know what we'll be doing, let's waste no time and begin. The items you will be using to make your tacos will be small tortillas, potatoes, some seasoning, oil, a pot, a bowl and a spoon, a Ziploc bag, and some tongs. The toppings that you add onto your tacos are to your preference. Today, I will be using sour cream, lettuce, and an avocado. Now that you have everything, we will begin cooking. You will begin with washing your hands. Once you have washed your hands, you will begin to put the washed potatoes in some water to boil. But I already have them boiling because it is a long process for them to cook. You'll begin with peeling your potatoes. You do need to be careful because it is hot. Very hot. Once you are done, you will add some seasoning. Then you smash the potato all together. Make sure it is smashed very good and mixed well. As quoted by Robin Asbell, when working with corn tortillas, make sure to warm them up properly. So now we will be getting our corn tortillas and inserting them into our Ziploc bag to warm them up in the microwave for 5 to 10 minutes depending, so they will not crack when we are rolling them up. You will now get your tortillas and we'll begin to add some potato, inside. Then you'll begin to roll them up. And you will continue the process. Now you'll get your tacos and add them into the oil. Once they are a brownish color, you will know that they are done. Now you will take them out. And make sure you put a napkin under so it could get all the oil that's left in the tacos. Now that you have your tacos cooked, we will start by adding the toppings. I will first begin by adding some sour cream. Then some lettuce. And finally, some avocado. As quoted in the article, A Parisian Tacos by Samantha Buchanan, eating tacos is a messy business. So when you are eating your tacos, it will get messy. You now have your tacos dorados. In conclusion, I went over what you will be using and the preparation of making tacos dorados. I hope you guys will enjoy making them for your friends and family. And as Bobby Flay said, cooking is a subject you can never know enough about. There is always something new to discover.